If you ever wondered about the bobbin threaders, I actually have one. It was a gift because my bobbin, the part that spins the bobbin on my sewing machine, is broken, and I didn't have anything else to do, or else I had to do it by hand. So my friend, thank you Geisha, got me a bobbin spinner. So right now I'm just like, after organizing these threads that I got here, I'm just like refilling bobbins. It takes a lot of time, but I'm refilling all my bobbins in different colors, so when I start sewing today and tomorrow and this weekend, I won't necessarily have to thread some bobbins while I sew, but put the thread here, it goes through a loop over here, and then this is where I guess you can tighten it, and then I'm gonna have the bobbin right here. So my phone died while I was recording, so I have to plug in the charger. I'm recording this off my phone. I'm going to turn this thing on. This is a bobbin threader. So I'm going to turn it on and start. And you can see it's threading it. And see this right here, you move this towards the bobbin to let it stop wherever you want to stop. Most of the time when you're threading bobbin, you can't do it all the way at the end over here, so this is to help stop it when it gets to a certain point. So yeah, let me see, where's the scissors? This is it. Oops, that's that. And this, I'm all doing this with one hand because I'm recording it with my phone. And there you go, bobbin threader. And I am just going to put it in my bobbin organizer. I'm trying to be organized over here because usually I just have it in a box and then the end up being all tangled up. So I got these. This I got on Amazon. I don't remember how much it cost, but I got these on Amazon. I got these at, I think, Michael's on sale. It was on sale. Yeah, I can't remember. It was a long time ago. But yeah, this is the bobbin threader.